and I'm your little teacher. Today we're gonna learn CVs and CVCC words. Come join me. CVC and CVCC words. Visual are sound. At, but, cat, fat, hat, mat, rat, sat, hat, but, cat, fat, rat, mat, rat, sat, pat, at family. An, bun, can, fun, done, tan, fun, one. Bun, can, fun, done, man, tan, fun, one. Unfamily. Ug, bug, lug, nug, rug, tug, wug, bug, lug, nug, rug, tug, wug. Ug family. Ad, bud, lad, dad, pud, sad, mud. Bud, lad, dad, pud, sad, mud. Ad family. Up, cup, lap, map, nap, rap, tap, gup, cup, lap, nap, map, nap, rap, tap, gup. Up family. Ak, buck, tuck, rack, tuck, suck, back, puck, ruck, tuck, suck. Act farm reading, kids. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you. Bye.